we have come to a new place. This is a place where I'm kind of filling up my gaps now between areas. I used to fish south from here and I used to fish north from here, but this is actually unfished for me. So it's gonna be interesting to see how it goes. Start my GoPro, start grinding. It's like a variation of rocks on the bottom and some places where it's more like flat. I know it's a fishable area, definitely. It just mattered to me to get some confidence in the area so I can start taking my guided groups here. And when I finally do, that's the advantage for me. When I come here with a guided group and they start catching numbers of fish, I get to see where, after several times where we had good fishing, I can kind of see where the biting spots are. Then I know where to come back. But now it's all about grinding. Since I've never been here before, I haven't seen anyone else caught fish here before either, so. But it looks so good. It's nice wind here. Just a little bit north from here, it's totally flat. So they might have been swimming over here to get some waves. Yep, there is one. Oh, that's a nice fish. I think I might come back here. Wow. That's insane, I just started. That is a big one. It's been struggling. It's been taking the orange space shrimp. It's quite far out. I have some distance to make in here before we can see it. My heart is just pounding. This is unreal. Why haven't I been here before? I think it's a silver fish because it's been jumping and stuff. It's not tired at all. That's a very good fish. Oh no, no waves. Yeah! I have to look back how many casts that took, but can't believe I've never been here before. That's what I got to say this because that's something I used to tell my guests. It's not about like knowing the spots, it's understanding the wind and understanding kind of bottom they prefer being at. But my knees are shaking so much. This is a fish close to 60 centimeters. It's totally silver. What an amazing experience. That's the first time at this spot. I'm just so happy. I'm not so used to, it's the first day with this video setup. It's the first day with this lens. So there's a lot of things I'm not so sure of. But what I'm sure of is that I have a very nice fish in the net. Probably gonna focus on my face now. Hope you can see that fish. Amazing how I caught it here in just the first few casts I've ever done at this place. I'm just blown away. I didn't even pull out that much line. forward jaw. But very good hooked. There it is. Orange space shrimp. Oh my god, I love this pattern so much. For me, this is what it's all about. I mean, I have been guiding so much this autumn, so this is actually the first day I fished on my own. So then I was very curious. I set up as a rule for myself, I'm not allowed to go to places where I've been before. I just go to new places. And it's so good when it pays off. I mean, the confidence is lower immediately when you go to new places. So just to be able to catch one fish here today, I'm so glad. I know I can just enjoy the rest of the day. So wonderful. Let's measure from the blue mark. Okay, from the beginning of the reel seat, up there, all the way up to blue mark. So that is definitely 60. It's 60 plus. It's not 68. I know where 68 is, so it's a little bit more than 60. Let it swim back.